This is the 94 Firebird with the LT1 4060E combo. It's got a Spintech muffler and a 3-inch, full 3-inch exhaust. Actually, not full, it's catback. Flowmaster catback with a Spintech muffler. And I've got it set to transmission perform. Alright, let's see what it sounds like. Hopefully I don't crash. And that stumble up top, that's because it's running really rich. My guess it's a bad coolant temp sensor. Let's try that launch again. Let's see. Woo! Not bad. Yeah, this thing shuts off after running for a little bit, and the only way to get it back on is by waiting or disconnecting the battery for a little bit and resetting the PCM. But other than that, man, this thing's pretty sweet. And like I said, this is going into my 88. Better exhaust sound. Let's see. Not bad. Oh man, can't wait to get it into the 88. Not a bad looking car either. Stole this thing for 900 bucks. It's got T-tops. It's got the grid tail lights. That one's bad. The rims, So, yep, that's what's going into his beast over here. Alright.